Good afternoon, student. Okay, I hope you all are doing good. All right, last class we have learned from block one there is changes in a family, and then we have learned about the topic called changes in gender roles. So today, as you can see, we'll start with a new topic that is wedding in a family. We're gonna start with a new topic called wedding in a family. So the resources required is your S2, that is your worksheet 2, that you will find in worksheet page number 10. You'll find in worksheet page number 10. And then you'll be needing your exit content book and your notebook as well. The keywords for today is wedding. I hope now you are clear. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so before we get into a further discussion, let's look into the meaning of what is wedding. So this is a simple definition of wedding. Okay, wedding means marriage ceremony, ritual officially celebrating the beginning of marriage. So that is known as wedding, and I'm sure you all have come across what is wedding, and I'm sure you have even visited a wedding, right? All right, so let's get started. And before that, I will ask you a few questions. So the question here is, has anybody in your family been married recently? What happened after marriage, or how was everyone feeling and why? So here is a question for you. Okay, has anybody in your family been married recently, and what happened? How was everyone feeling and why? So student, marriage is a happy occasion for a family. Okay, whenever there is marriage, everyone feels happy. It brings a new member into a family and also brings two families, that is, of the brides and the grooms together. So marriage is all about bringing new members into a family, okay, from both the husband and the wife's side. So today you will listen to the story of Kabir's family, in which some changes have taken place after a wedding. So this is actually a picture of a wedding. Okay, as you can see, a groom and a bride. Okay, so this is the picture of a wedding, and then this is a wedding in a family. Okay, whenever a wedding take place in a family, so these are the groom and the bride. Okay, and these are the families, as you can see. So you have to read the story from S2. Okay, so you have to read the story from this S2. Okay, within in a family, and then you have to discuss the question. All right, you have to discuss the question, like how after reading. Okay, that is after reading this one, you have to move further and then answer this question. So after reading the story from XS2, that is worksheet 2, you have to answer the following questions. Question number 1 is, how were Kabir and Priya related? What changes took place in Kabir's life and after Priya joined the family? That is first question. And the second question is, why did Kabir like Priya? What changes happened in Kabir's family after his uncle's wedding? What changes happened in Neha's family? So these are the questions for you. Okay. So please answer these two questions and then write the answer in your notebook. So after you are done with the given question, here is another important question for you. Okay. So here is higher order thinking. So the question is asking here, why is it important to adjust to the changes brought about by a wedding? How can we do so? So why it is important to adjust to the changes brought about by a wedding? So whenever a newly coupled married, what happens is there is a changes in a family from both the groom as well as the bride side. So why it is important to adjust to the changes brought about by a wedding? And then the question here is asking how can we do so? So this is a question for you, and then I want you guys to answer the question individually. So so then each family is different, and so the changes after a wedding may not be the same in every family. Okay, either a new member is added to the family or a family member leaves the family. So for boys, a family is added, and for the girls, they have to leave their family and then they have to settle in another family. Okay, so both the bride and the groom have new responsibility for each other family once they get married. The responsibility of the other family members also changes as it might increase or decrease. So here is your homework for today. You have to complete your worksheet as to that you will find in page number 10. Okay, worksheet page number 10, and then you have to do your practice question from question number 2 from content book. Okay, practice question 2 from content book you will find in page number 6. So thank you all, take care, and then I will see you in the next video.